Hi, my name is Robert Nguyen, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on the bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. Now let's talk about how much money he makes in a single day. This is going to be an estimate. Daily views is currently 25,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber $3. So his daily income is $75. Monthly income is at $2,250. Now annual revenue, this is going to be an estimate. Income is $27,000. Now YouTube cut takes 45%. So his income after the YouTube cut is $14,850. Now WoodWorkWeb, he also has a shop which he sells stuff. Actually, he doesn't have a shop. He sells advertising. That's my mistake. So he has like this. He displays banners on his website, and then he charges money for it. And that's how he makes the bulk of his income, from just his advertising on his website. So from this, I would estimate that he makes about $30,000 from advertising on his website. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.